How's it going, everybody? This is Baby Ford. How old is Baby Ford now?
2 months old.
2 months. Been adjusted a few times now already to keep himself healthy. He's a very healthy and happy baby. And as you can see, Dr. Amy's getting his neck adjusted here, which is much different than adjusting an adult. Very gentle. A lot of times if they're sleeping, they don't even wake up. Sometimes it can be a little bit tender. You see him fussing just a little bit, but very gentle and easy on him.
Yeah, he's so good. Oh, you see Mom? You see Mom? Who's that? Yeah. Good. He's been feeling really good though. And you're so strong. Good job, buddy.
See, nice and easy.